In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos to an album on your iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to open up Photos, then click on Albums, See All, and click on Edit, and then click on the plus at the top left, and then you can create an album or a folder. A folder is inside a folder you can have multiple albums, and album is just an album. You would click on the album, name it, and then add whatever pictures you want to it, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.